I'm going to have a very simple presentation today. The presentation is called The Quest for Creativity. It's a very simple presentation, as simple as I haven't added any effects also in that. Not because I can't or not because I can't get it done. The only reason I didn't get it done was I wanted that message that I want to give today to be very subtle and simple. I'm not going to tell you anything new. I'm not going to tell you about a new invention, but it's going to be something that I have gone through. So it is called The Quest for Creativity. It is my journey, my personal journey to the word creativity. The common question that dwells in an average kid's mind: am I a creative kid or just another kid? Everybody has this question. Okay. Most of us think like this, most of the kids. So this is the answer. Not very creative? Okay, what are the syndromes? I could never lie or make up stories which made me think I was not creative. I couldn't read and write fast. I was usually very slow. I can't read numbers and numericals at once. Slow I am. I could never lie to my mom, the food is good, when it is horrendous so. My drawing skills were bad. This is the digestive system I was asked to do, and this is what I did. Okay, so the only thing I really got perfect was an amoeba. See, I told you, I'm good at that. And I realized I can't paint. So then again, why am I not creative? I could never repair anything in my life. I could only break them. I was really, I just couldn't repair a cycle, a radio or anything. I just had to, so could not come up with anything creatively original. At least at the age of 12, I thought so. Then I had a handwriting to die for. Fado handwriting. You should, keep watching. This. Yes, this. This is kind of, died instantly wala. One of the best testimonials I have got is, Reddy, agar मैं overcrowded bus, चलते हुए bus में बैठ के लिखूं, तो तेरे से अच्छा लिखूंगा. Somebody said that. My quest as a teenager began. There was a point where I was clueless about the word creativity. I wanted to really find out what is this word, and I wanted to be creative. So I did dancing, I did singing, sports, painting, writing, everything in the world I tried just to be called creative. I wasn't. The quest continued, and I danced in all occasions, more than 30 plus performances in 2 years in school. But I couldn't choreograph ever. So I thought I wasn't very creative, I could only copy. ये सोच लिया मैंने. The quest again continues, and played all sports. I was a sports captain in school, topper in all sports, but still nobody called me creative. They said, okay, अच्छा है बंदा athlete है, ठीक है, okay, that's it. I wasn't called creative. I was disappointed. Then I still continued to look for creativity. I wanted to be called creative. Then finally I reviewed a book in 9th grade. I thought it was really creative. This is a book that changed my perspective on life. Jonathan Livingston Seagull by Richard Bach. So now I deserted the idea of going in search of creativity. I said, bhaad mein jaye. I just want to do what I like. Then the actual work started. Years passed. I started doing work without categorizing it as cool, uncool, or creative or non-creative. It was a new beginning. So it took me a while, but realized that passion is the most creative thing. If you're passionate about something, do it. Don't call it creative or non-creative. Don't categorize it. So photography is what I started. This is a sample of my photography. A self-taught photographer. I haven't read anything. I haven't learnt anywhere. Abstract photography is my favorite genre. Fashion photography is what I really work at. And travel photography. A lot of travel photography I do because I travel a lot for work and otherwise. And writing, yes, I started to write because I stopped categorizing, so I started to write. I started writing content for websites. I started making case studies for my company because I'm a business analyst. I work with a certain company. I started making white papers, marketing liners, everything. Sab kuch kiya. Then once I graduated, I started this company called as Octopus, and it had 4 wings. Most innovative things were custom-made wedding packages, 2007. South India's first ever organic Holi party medical placements of Indian, okay, it's gone. Really cool stuff, sir. Theatre, I got into theatre quite late, but yeah, did a little bit of work in theatre. I acted, I did street plays, backstage, written a few scenes, dialogues here and there. Right now, currently working on a full play. So these are some articles that were published, and that's my picture. Yeah. So I'm also a self-proclaimed critic because I'm not certified anywhere. I don't have a degree to go with, but I review movies on Facebook. I review theatre and a little bit of art. As much as I understand, I review them because I think critics is a very important part of a artist because they need to grow. If they don't know what they're going wrong at, so they wouldn't know. Short films is something that I started. I have an independent production house which is dedicated only for short films. My first short film was screened in the Goa International Film Festival 2010, Hong Kong Film Festival, Australia and New Zealand Film Festival. The Short Evening with Films is an event that I've created. It's a event property that has been happening for 1 year. Yeah, I'm also again a self-proclaimed bartender because I haven't been certified by any group. I have made innovative, weirdest cocktails just from Google, and I really enjoy the Third Peg Confessions. And I don't endorse drinking, but you know. Yeah, this is where I found my creative best. When these 7 to 11-year-old kids ask me to tell a story in an NGO that I work for. It's called Krushi Home, a home for the homeless. There is nothing more creative than bringing a smile on their face. This is my most creative effort. Synopsis of the entire presentation. Creativity is an overhyped word, more than the word Bollywood heroes. And stop categorizing your work as creative or non-creative. Just let it be you. Always be restless to learn more. There isn't an end to anything. I believe, so I am. This is something I've written and I believe. This is dedication, the last slide. Firstly, my dedication, my mom, she is the best critic for life. Pallavi Verma, another friend. Friends who believed in me. Ex-girlfriends who thought I was really creative and talented. Muses who pushed me to be better every time I tried to impress them. And inspirations drawn from daily life. Thank you for joining me in my quest for creativity.